Hello everyone, this is Lavonda Curtis. I am here to demonstrate a video for you guys showing you how to use OneNote. Here is Quick Notes. Right here you can just write a little note over here to yourself. In here you can click on Tab, File, you can insert. You can insert a OneNote. Over here you can actually draw. Okay, and right here you can actually view it, navigate through windows, and over here you can delete the notes right here. And then you also have the ruler. You can also color pages, and you have rule line. And you can actually make it small, zoom in, or you can either zoom out. You can either shift, and you can also write what type of note down here. And even share it. So, yeah. You can make all kinds of shapes, enter shapes as well, basic shapes. You can even choose ink, even add math in there as well. So it's a variety of things you can actually place in there as well.